What is up, everybody, and welcome to yet another video on our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I will be discussing the top 5 apps to have on your phone as a trader. So these apps obviously are from an iPhone, but if you are an Android user, you should also be able to have these apps on your phone. These are the top 5 apps which I have on my phone that pretty much help me remain effective in the market and continuously capitalize on the trading market. It's apps which I use for either news sources or for technical insights in order for me to know, how the markets are looking. These are the apps that I believe every trader should have on their phone in order for them to always remain profitable in the market. So with that said, let's get down to it. So this section of my phone is the productivity and finance section. The first app that we'll be checking out today, which is the app that I believe every trader should have on their phone, is MetaTrader 5. So MetaTrader 5 is the app that we use to execute our trades on a day-to-day basis. So on this app, this is where you'll see any trades that you have taken, the current profits that you are running or the current losses that you are running. You're also able to see any other trading pairs. So this quotes section will show you all the different trading pairs. So this is kind of like your watch list where you can add any trading pair that you're looking to trade. And then the second section is the charts section. This section will show you the chart for the respective pair that you're looking at that moment. It'll show you any trading pair. So currently, as you guys can see, we're looking at Euro USD, and this is the current chart for Euro USD. And if you've taken any trades, if you've placed any trades, you'll be able to see the entry prices for the trades that you have taken. And then this section is the trade section. This is the section that will show you your current balance and any trades that you currently have running. So at this moment, as you guys can see, I do not have any trades currently running, and as such, I am not able to see any trades. So that's why we are not seeing anything at this moment. However, once you've executed a trade, you'll be able to see it on this section. So MetaTrader, again, for me is the trading app which I use to execute my trades. It's the most common trading app and is the #1 app that I believe every single trader should have on their smartphone. Awesome stuff. So the next app which I believe every trader should have on their trading platform is Investingcom. So Investingcom is an app that I use for fundamental data. So this app shows me any news data that has been coming out in the market, and it will show me a lot of news data. So for an example, if I am trading the US dollar, I like to always check Investing.com to see if there's any USD related data that has come out or any data around the market that could have some sort of influence on the trades that I am running. I love this app, especially because I've tried using so many different news outlets, and this one for me is the one that's most effective and has never let me down. And this is why I always recommend Investing.com as one of the news sources for traders. It'll also give you a calendar, a news calendar in the market. We use it strictly just to see any news that are coming out for that respective day. It shows you any macroeconomic data that's coming out for that respective day. And let's say, for an example, you're running a trade on the dollar. It's always wise to check if there's any macroeconomic data that's coming out on the dollar that could possibly influence the trades that you have running. So yeah, Investing.com is a really great tool to use for traders, especially if you're looking for a reliable news outlet. I've never been let down by Investing.com, and this is why this is the app that I always recommend when it comes to looking for reputable news sources around the trading market or any economic data that's coming out in the market. You're also able to choose your favorite, so you can create a watch list, and you'll be able to have a watch list also on Investing.com. So it's a great app for news and really will allow you to be able to see what's happening in and around the world on a fundamental perspective. And then the next app that we'll be checking out is TradingView. This for me is the app that I use for market analysis. So TradingView is my favorite trading app. So this app is my favorite because it allows me to analyze the market full view. So what I do is I analyze the market on my laptop, and then all the analysis that I've done on my laptop will also then appear on my app. So you'll see now when we open gold, for an example, all the analysis that I've done on gold will also appear on this app. So then you're able to see what is happening on your app. So if you're quickly running, errands, or on the move, or at work, if you're a full-time employee while still trading the market, you're also then able to see what is happening quickly from a glance on your phone. And this could be some sort of an analysis that you've done from your computer, and you quickly just want to see what is happening from your TradingView app. So TradingView, I love it because it is, the tool itself is quite massive, and it gives a lot of tools to traders to be able to analyze the market. So you're also able to set alerts. So this is the app that I would use to set alerts, and my alerts would pop up here. So there's a lot of tools that you can use on TradingView, but this, for me, I think is the second most recommended app that I recommend to any trader to have. There's also ideas and insights that you can check out from different traders around the world and see what they think and what their insights are looking like. But this, for me, is the best app, especially for analysis purposes. If you want to build your technical insights, if you want to build your technical bias, this is my favorite app at this moment. And I'm currently using a pro plan, so it's a paid plan, but all the additional tools that I get for using a paid plan is really solid and amazing, and it's one subscription that I would never stop. So TradingView, again, like I said, it's the best app to use if you want to analyze the market, if you want to build your market insights, if you want to build your technical overviews. As you guys can see, I did a technical overview of Euro USD. I'm able to see where I entered the trade and the current profits that are running. What I love is you can see that also without seeing the numbers, because sometimes the numbers can be intimidating. So this is a trade that I shared with our trading community yesterday, and we're currently running it in profits. So TradingView, like I said, it's a great tool to use for traders if you want to see what's happening on a technical perspective. And then the next app that we will be checking out at this moment is another app which I really love, which is FX Calculators. So FX Calculators is a great app to use for individuals that do not know how to calculate their lot sizes. On a risk management perspective, it's really a great app because it allows you to calculate your lot size and to see whatever pips you're risking or whatever pips you're targeting on a monetary perspective. So already before placing your trade, you're able to see how much you are risking, how much you are targeting, and then can make an informed decision on whether you should take that trade or not. So this app gives you different calculators. There's a pip value calculators, there's a pivot point calculator, so some traders may be using pivot points, and then there is a FX calculator for lot sizes, which is my favorite, a profit and loss section where you can calculate profits that you are intending to gain or losses that you are risking. And this again is also my favorite about the app. But FX Calculators is really just the app that will help you with calculating your lot sizes for risk management purposes, calculating what 1% of your account balance is on a monetary perspective, and then knowing how many pips that equates to, or how many lot sizes that equates to on the trade that you will be taking. So check it out, it's a really great app. And then the next app which I will be showing you guys is MyFXBook. So MyFXBook is very similar to Investingcom. It also gives you a news calendar, and you're able to see any news data that's coming out for that day, what the data is for, which country it's in line with, and what the data also is about. So this is also for macroeconomic data, but there are additional tools again that you can use on MyFXBook, which are calculators, forex robots. You can also, and this is something that I always tell individuals to do, especially if you want to keep track of your trading history. You can link your trading account to MyFXBook and they will verify your profitability, so you're then able to use that for due diligence to show maybe investors or to show other individuals that want to join your trading community your profitability percentage and how your trading has been. So I like MyFXBook purely for that, because then you can link your trading history and show data from a verified third-party source on how your trading has been going. So there's other also things that you can use, like calculators. You're also then able to see some of the brokers that they recommend. You're also able to see like an outlook of your portfolio. You can also link your portfolio onto MyFXBook. So MyFXBook, again, it's a nice app which I also like, and you can check it out to see how it can benefit you as a trader. So like I said, these are the apps that I use on a daily basis in order for me to be able to capitalize on the market. It is the 5 apps which I believe every single trader needs to have on their trading platform. So as you guys can see, these are the apps which I use on a daily basis in order for me to capitalize on the trading market. These apps have been on my phone since the inception of my trading journey and have really been part and parcel of the reason why I've remained a profitable trader in the market and why I have consistently been able to remain effective as a trader. So be sure to check them out, use whichever one you need, and these can be apps that really increase your profitability percentage. It could just be that your trading just needs a reputable news source, and as such you now know that Investingcom is a reputable source and is an app that you need to have on your phone, or you just need an app that can help you with your technical analysis, and as such you now move from using MetaTrader to TradingView for your technical analysis. So be sure to check them out. I'm confident that these apps will definitely help you and build your trading ability. So with that said, I hope you did like this video, and please do share it and leave us with a like. And as always, I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.